This is a living area with double-heighted lobby. As you can see in the kitchen, you will get two parallel platforms. As you can see, this master bedroom is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we'll do the sample flat tour and the plot location tour of the residential project Vadhva Vice City located in Panvel by Vadhva Group. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, which is located bang on Old Mumbai-Pune Highway. And to my right is the entrance of our project. Before getting into all the details of this project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's move on with the sample flat tour and the project location tour of our project. And this is the actual location of Vadhva Vice City. Talking about the project overview, Vadhva Vice City will be constructed on a land parcel of 203 acres consisting of apartments, bungalows and plotted clusters that will be developed phase-wise. Phase 1 having Tulip Towers and Phase 2 of Mongolia Bungalows. Already launched Tulip Towers that has 9 towers, and this is the actual location of Tulip Towers, having 9 towers with G plus 25-story residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities with world-class gym, indoor games court, squash court, indoor badminton court, 1.8 acres of clubhouse, 50,000 square feet of lush greenery, swimming pool and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Mumbai-Pune Highway Road, Thombarwari bus stop. From here, South Mumbai is only 40 minutes via Trans Harbour Sea Link, that is Atal Setu. International Airport is only 20 minutes from the project. Mohape Station on Panvel-Kasjat suburban line is only 1.5 kilometers from this project. So now I'm standing at the actual location of Mongolia Bungalows by Vadhva Vice City. These are the row bungalows of this township. And now I will give you a bungalow tour of this 4 BHK. Let's start and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get a huge parking space. And at the back, you also have a staff washroom provided. Moving forward, this is the front entrance, and over here you can place your seating tables as well. As we enter, you can see over here is your lift area and this is the back door. Let's move to the first floor. As we move up, on the left we have a first master bedroom, and may I mention all the bedrooms are master bedroom. This is a very spacious bedroom where you can place your king or queen size bed along with the side table, and right over there is a wardrobe space that is heighted enough to customize your loft space. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom, and this is the attached washroom that comes with anti-slip tiles with all high-end wall fittings. Moving to our next bedroom, this is a second master bedroom where you can place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables. This bedroom also comes with half French windows and a glass facade, and this is the wardrobe space that is provided in this bedroom. This is the attached washroom that comes with anti-skip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to a spacious living and dining area, This is a living area with double-heighted lobby. You can customize your TV unit, your sofa, your center tables, as this is very spacious living. This dining area is also very spacious, where you can easily place a 8 to 10 people seating dining table and have meals with your friends and family. You also get full French windows and a balcony in the living room. Let me show you the kitchen. As you can see, in the kitchen you will get two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink and places provided to place your washing machine. And over here, places provided to place your double door fridge if you need. This open space gives you an open kitchen look from the dining area. Now, let's move to the second floor. This is the second floor, and over here we have a third master bedroom where you can also place a king and queen size bed with the side tables. Wardrobe space is also given, and this bedroom also comes with half French windows and a glass facade. This is the attached washroom of this bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing along with the EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move forward. Moving forward, one of the best part of this bungalow is that you will get a study area that you can customize as a gaming zone, your study zone, your guest room, totally up to your choice. You will get half French windows and a glass facade in this area as well. And now, let me show you our biggest master bedroom of this 4 BHK. As you can see, this master bedroom is very spacious, where you can easily place your king size bed with the side tables. You can customize your TV unit, your study area, your makeup corner along with the wardrobe space provided, and you can also place some chairs for the seating. In this master bedroom, you will get full French windows with a balcony. Balcony where you can place your tea tables, your tea chairs to enjoy tea time with your family with a beautiful view. And this over here is the attached washroom of our biggest master bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, I would again like to mention that you will get a lift area provided. Now let's move to the terrace. As I mentioned, you will get a lift area provided that comes up to the terrace. Now, let me show you a spacious terrace of this 4 BHK. As you can see, this is your spacious terrace of this 4 BHK bungalow, from where you will get a beautiful view of your neighboring bungalows and the scenery. Over here, you will get a platform and a sink provided in that corner. You can also place your table chairs over here to have parties with your friends and family and enjoy the gatherings. Let me also show you the terrace garden. In this corner, you can customize your own terrace garden and plant your own choice of plants. So this was the 4 BHK bungalow tour of our project. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. At last, I would like to ask you just one question. Have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, then do let us know your views in the comments below. And if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on Housey.com. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such residential projects.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.